I know what it's like to be put down. I know what it's like to be abused. You know, I don't have the abuse in my life no more. I don't have negative in my life no more. It's all positive and love. I'm good. I'm good actually. I'm between good and great actually. Do you want to know why? Today I go and find out about my mokopuna's push bikes, where I get them assembled. So anything to do with my grandkids, my mokopuna, is great. They're a part of me. Yeah, they're a part of my children, and they're just so happy to see me. Yeah, they're just lots of love. There's lots of love in there, lots of aroha. I guess I had to be deported from Australia 8 years ago to actually find it and to find good people in Christchurch. And so I let go of a lot of hate, a lot of anger. So it gave me a lot of peace with my children. My children are adults now. You know, I made mistakes bringing them up. I was only a child myself. So I tried to, well no, I don't try. I just let them know, my children know that I'm there for them now. And my grandchildren, I could never make the mistake I did with them. Dad and Mum, I would never do the same. I would never do that. I'm not that person, I'm not that angry person anymore. Just one day I woke up and said, that's it, that's enough. That's enough, I'm not going to put up with it no more. I'm not going to cry no more. It is what it is. And now I can only do better for myself, to do better for my kids and my mokos, and just keep my word and keep doing the good thing.